In this video, I'll show you how to fix the not enough storage error when downloading videos on YouTube. First, open the YouTube app and try downloading a video. If you see a message saying there's not enough available storage, don't worry. Here's how to fix it. Open the Settings app on your phone. Tap the search bar and type Storage. From the search results, open Storage or RAM and storage space, depending on your device. Here, you'll see how much storage is available on your phone. If your storage is almost full, tap Free Up Space or Clean Up. Delete unnecessary files, old downloads, large videos, or apps you no longer use to create more free space. Once you've freed up enough storage, go back to the YouTube app and try downloading the video again. The download should now start without showing the storage error. That's it. This is how you can fix the not enough storage problem when downloading YouTube videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.